Well, hello again, Hector, Mayan in the American West. So I'm not sure how this video is gonna come out. I am literally chasing the clock. I wanted to go to Lockett Meadow right after work, and I believe today will be like the only day that I'm gonna be able to go out there and get it done. This week is supposed to be snowing, so it'll be over. Hey everyone, this is Hector, Mayan in the American West. So today I'm chasing the clock. I only have maybe 2.5 hours of light left, and I need to manage to do, well, at least 6 miles to go to Lockett Meadow, and then I think I'm gonna be hiking in the dark, but let's see if I can get it done. It's a beautiful destination, beautiful place to be. Thousands of people come from all over the world, or at least the States, to check it out. Cheers. One of the many lookouts, I guess. It's kind of hard to stop the edge of the road, but it is beautiful. Almost 1.5 miles in, and this is just how the road looks like. Hey, it's really well maintained, but again, I have no idea why they closed the road. It's probably because hundreds of cars come this way, up and down, and it's only in a handful of spots that it can get a little bit tricky, but maybe by doing so, they saved a couple of headaches and avoided some accidents. It is what it is. All right, it took me about an hour to do all of that, so I'm here. And here in a little bit is a trailhead that takes you to the inner basin. Let's see how much I can do before I start hiking in the dark again. Let's go. Well, 3.5 miles in. It's really windy. A lot of the leaves are already in the bottom. I bet this trail was packed this weekend, but I haven't seen anyone hiking back down. I guess everybody's a lot smarter than I am. They probably don't want to be hiking back in the dark, but yeah, I'm from Guatemala, and for some of you that might know our history, we were in civil war for almost 30 years, so we're used to maneuver in the dark. Well, I made it. I was literally running uphill, and now I think I'm in a little bit of a pickle. I only have an hour left to do 4.5 miles back hill, and yeah, I think I'm gonna be hiking in the dark, but it's all right. So it's about 5:35 p.m. and I'm gonna try to take a few more quick little videos to show you all. I mean, there are thousands of aspens out here, and it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful. Trying to go as fast as I can. Hope you all can make it sometime. I was a little late this year, but I'm going to share some other pictures on the same spot from previous trips from the last couple of years, so you all can see it. And of course, any questions, please let me know, and I'll be happy to tell you how to get here. I feel like this spot should be shared. It's kind of spooky almost to know that you're the only one up there in the mountain. I didn't see anyone coming back down at all. And yeah, this place is absolutely empty. That's where I went, right there. That's the carpet. Usually all of that is like this, but yeah, I'm just blessed that I was able to get it done. October 2024. It's a beautiful evening, and moments like this sure makes me feel so much alive. Couple of more miles to go, and I'll be in my truck and heading home. Well, I made it, and unfortunately the audio stopped working. But I was just pretty much saying that I am so lucky to be able to do the things that I do. And it's not like I'm going out of my way to make these videos. This is pretty much the way that I've always been. So now it's time to go home, take a shower, get something to eat, get something cold to drink. And I know I'm going to be feeling this tomorrow, but yeah, I definitely have a huge smile on my face right now. Cheers.